Welcome students. Today in this video we are going to discuss some word problems. The word problems, these kind of questions will come in highest common factor or least common factor. Based on these two kinds of word problem we are going to discuss today. Okay, some questions may come in highest common factor, some questions may come into least common factor. Okay, so in this first example, what's the question? First read the question 2-3 times. In that word particularly they mentioned some words, least, maximum. If in this question word the least is there, so we need to find out the LCM. Okay, in some other questions they ask a question maximum, the word if it is maximum, that kind of questions we have to find out the highest common factor, HCF. Okay, so this is we are going to find out LCM means least, the word least is there, so we want to find out the LCM. Okay, what is the question? What is the least number of children? What is the least number of children who may be arranged in rows of 12, 14 or 16 in each row? If it is this is the row, 12 rows, 14 rows, 16 rows, students are arranging in a row. So what is the least number of students they can arrange in each row? So how many students they can arrange in each row? The root means number of rows 12, 14, 16. So we need to find out the LCM. I already told you why we need to find out LCM, because of least word is there. In this question you can find least, maximum. These two kinds of words will come in our question. If it is least means we have to find out LCM. If it is maximum means we want to find out the highest common factor. Okay, so how to find out least common multiple, LCM? Okay, so first we need to find out the LCM of 12, 14 and 16. So 12, 14, 16. So first let me try to divide by 2. So 6 2s are 12, 8 4s are 7 4s are 14, 8 4s are 16. Let me try to divide by again 2. 3 2s are 6, but we can't divide by 7, so we can take as it is 7. 4 2s are 8. Now again I am going to divide by 2. By 3 we can't divide, so take as it is. 7 also we can't divide, so take as it is. But 2 2s are 4. Again I am going to divide by 2. So 3 we can't divide, 7 also we can divide, but 1 2 is 2. Now I am going to divide by 3. So 1 3 is 3, 7 as it is 1. Now I am going to divide by 7. 1 as it is, 7 1 is 7, then 1 remaining, that's it. So what is the factors of 12, 14, 16? 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4 2s are no? So 1, 2, 3, 4 2s, and then 1 3 and 1 7. Okay, these are the factors of 12, 14 and 16. Okay, so now as per the LCM, so finally we got some prime factors. So how we get answer? We have to multiply all the factors. Okay, so how to multiply this? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 16 3s are 6 3s are 18, remainder 1, 1 3 is 3, 3 plus 1 4, 48. So 48, no? 48 into 7. So 48 into 7. 7 8s are 56, remainder 5. 7 4s are 28 plus 5, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So 336. 336 is the okay. We got the answer is the LCM of 12, 14, 16 is 336. So this is the answer. So finally, how we can write answer? So answer is 336 is the least number of children who may be arranged in rows of 12, 14 and 16 in each row. This is the answer. So answer is 336 is the least number of children who may arrange in rows of 12, 14 or 16 in each row. This is the answer. Let me discuss another example of word problems. Based on HCF and LCM. So previously I told you some words if comes maximum and least. So least means LCM, maximum means HCF. Okay. So if you see this some maximum word is there. So we need to find out the highest common factor HCF. Okay. So what is the question? What is the maximum length of equal pieces? So maximum length we want to find out equal pieces that can be cut from the two length of wire. 74 centimeter and 92 centimeter. If you cut the two pieces of that wire, one piece 74 centimeter, another piece 92 centimeter with equal distance, equal length. Okay. So if you cut that two pieces 74 and 92, what is the maximum length? But in that wire they have some extra pieces, means remaining. Each pieces have 2 centimeter extra, means remaining of each. 74 centimeter also 2 centimeter extra and 92 centimeter also 2 centimeter extra. So first we want to find out what we are going to do this sum. So I told you it's a highest common factor HCF. So okay, we have to do HCF. Okay, then before finding HCF, highest common factor, we want to do one thing, because 74 centimeter and 90 centimeter with a piece, two pieces are there, but remaining means it's a remainder no, so we can't multiply directly, we can't find the factors, so we have to subtract first, then after we have to find out the maximum length of the wire. So 74 centimeter and 92 centimeter, then 74 centimeter also 2 centimeter extra, 2 centimeter remaining extra, then 92 centimeter also 2 centimeter extra. First we have to subtract from that 2 centimeter. So 74 minus 2 is equal to 72 centimeter. Then 92 minus 2 is equal to 90 centimeter. So now we need to find out the HCF of 72 and 90. So first I am going to find out the factors of 72, prime factors of 72 and then 90 also. Okay. So let me find out 72. So 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Remainder 1. 6 2s are 12. So 2 36 are 72. 2 36 are 72. Then 2 18s are 36. Then 9 2s are 18. Now 3 3s are 9. 3 ones are 9. So if you collect and write the factors of this, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. The factors of 72, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So now let me find out the factors of 90. First we will divide by 3. So 3 30s are 90. Let me divide by 2. 2 15s are 30. Now we can divide by 5 also. 5 3s are 15. Now 3 ones are 3. So let me write the factors of 90. So 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So we know the procedure of highest common factor. We have to pull out the common factors. Means here 2 one time, here also one time. So we can pull out 1 time 2. Then here 2, but here there is no 2. Here also one more 2 is there, but there is no 2. Here 1 3 is there. Here also 1 3. So both are same. Both 3 in both places available. So we can take 1 time. Then here also 3. Here also 3. Two times available. So we can take 2 one more times. Then here 5 is there, but there is no 5. So we have to multiply this. 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. So what is the answer? 18 is the, we can write the answer like this, okay? So 18 is the maximum length of equal pieces that can be cut from two length of wire of 74 centimeter and 92 centimeter with a piece of 2 centimeter remaining of each. So you have to write answer like this. 18 is the maximum length of equal pieces that can be cut from two length of wire of 74 cm and 92 cm with a piece of 2 cm remaining of each. This is the way you can write the answer. Okay.